How to change profile picture in Snake Rivals. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily edit it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So basically, we're in this profile settings. Here, you'll be able to see your profile and make different changes on it. Here on the right hand side, there's a section of profile picture. Simply tap on this edit button. Now here you'll be able to find different profiles that are available. Now it's up to you, and here you can even directly buy them. So select the one that you want to change into. So here I'm tapping on one, and at last tap on yes. So it has been changed. Now other friends and people can also view it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.